Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a little look at Quant here, and as we can see, looking like we are continuing to the downside here after failing to hold that 050 as support. You can see for Quant pretty much what it's been doing is working the Fibonacci pretty much perfectly ever since it came down to that low down here at around, what was it, $40? That 90%-ish retracement that a lot of cryptos did start to see. Quant had a really nice bounce obviously, and you can see it working the fibs here. Resistance, we come back down, resistance, support, resistance here, and we broke through resistance here with an overextension, but come back under this for resistance. We come down to support $100, resistance, support, and then we get the overextension, the back test of support. But you can see here we got a little bit of a rally, but failed to hold that rally to the upside. And you can see we kind of lost this trend line here that I drew in, that was kind of a trend line, you would say, of Quant. Really, it's just heading back down now, with Bitcoin essentially having a little bit of a rollover today, and you know, dropping about $1,000 or so, coming back down to some key support. So you can see Quant here has followed the market down, just like pretty much every crypto has today, to be fair. You can see it very clearly here what's happened. We've come down, we've back tested that previous support as resistance, and we've just started to roll over and head to the downside, haven't we? And as I said before, there's not really that much support here for Quant, so really we'll probably be heading down towards this swing high here, down at around 115 and $120 is where we've currently had a little bit of a bounce. But right now Quant looking like it really is just coming back inside the range again that we were in for some time. You can see the resistance, support, resistance, support. We've got the breakout, the back test, but then we've come back inside the range again. So really, I'd probably be looking to trade the range until it breaks, just like I do with most cryptos. So really, I'd probably be looking to put a short in at this 050 here. If we do see ourselves coming back up and back testing this, and then we see Bitcoin starting to reject as well, probably going to see ourselves rolling to the downside, aren't we? But I'll definitely be looking to put some long positions in down towards the bottom of this range like this. If we do see ourselves heading to the downside in a significant way, I do think that's probably going to play out pretty nicely, to be fair. You can see this previous long position I had here did get stopped out, as I said before. We obviously didn't get the bounce in the market that most people were expecting. You know, you win some, you lose some in trading. And now that we're back inside the range, you'd probably be expecting, you know, to come back down either to the bottom of the range or the top of the range before a significant move in either direction, in my opinion. I'll just be trading this range until it breaks in either direction. If we come back outside and back test and continue like this, then obviously I'll get stopped out again, but that's totally fine. But obviously, most of the time, price action is in a range. As you can see back here, you could have shorted this, long this, shorted this, long this, and all four of those trades would have worked out pretty much perfectly inside that range, wouldn't they? So it's always good to, you know, keep your head in a swivel. Obviously, Bitcoin rolling over right now and having a little bit of a retracement. So Quant also doing the same. This is all I'm looking at right now today, guys. You can see on the chart we are still just heading down. You can see we are kind of back testing still. You know, you see this resistance that we got the breakout, and we are still kind of back testing it here. So potentially, you know, you could see yourselves getting a bounce here if Bitcoin does as well. But right now, just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next for Quant. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel, as always, you can join down below and become a YouTube member. You'll get access to our private Discord along with me and some other investors just talking like crypto, etc. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.